Hey, good morning everybody. Mr. Vincent here with another important lesson. As a reminder, today's reading starts out looking at what a transistor is and how foundational it is to modern technology. Once you've done that, today's assignment are the blue boxes in the SketchUp Shapes assignment. We're going to be making a pyramid labeled and colored. Okay, so follow along with me. As always, we are going to be starting inside SketchUp. When you get to SketchUp, as always, sign in with your Microsoft account, and we are going to be making a pyramid. This pyramid can be exactly 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, because that's what the instructions tell you to make it. So just like before, we're going to start our document out with the units of what? That's right, meters. We're going to click that down arrow, decimal meters. And once we do that, we're going to get rid of this person because we do not need them. Now, the beginning of a pyramid is quite simply a square. We're going to make the base first. And so what I'm going to do is click here in the origin, come out this way. Again, I just clicked, not clicked and dragged. And I'm going to type on my keyboard, and it's going to change the dimensions right here underneath me by typing 1, 1 and press enter. Now I know that square is 1 meter by 1 meter. When I zoom in, I'm going to start to think, what do I need to do to make this into a pyramid? And I'm going to get there by starting in the very middle of my square. How do you get to the middle of your square? Well, there's lots of ways. One way is to draw a line right through the middle. And once you've got this line across, the middle of that line is the middle of our square. And so I'm going to click that, and I want to come up on the blue axis 1 meter. How am I going to change the length down there? I'm not going to try to click it with the mouse. Instead, I'm just going to start typing 1 on my keyboard and press enter. Now I've got a link, or I've got a piece there that came up 1, and it doesn't quite look right, so I'm going to undo it just for a second here. I want it to come up 1 meter, and I'm going to press enter, and from the top point I'm going to draw lines from the top to each of the 4 corners, and as I do that, it's going to start to make the shape of a pyramid. Okay, so this is the easiest way that there is to make a pyramid in SketchUp, is to start with a square, then come up from the middle and draw lines out from it. My instructions do say for the first box is this, just a pyramid. So I'm going to open up that snipping tool. This is the snipping tool. Click new, drag a box around your shape. Go back over into Teams, because here we're going to paste, Control V. However it is that you paste. And once we paste it, size it down, put it in the box. Next box says with labeled dimensions. So I'm going to go back to SketchUp, going to grab that dimensions tool. And I'm going to click from here to here. You can see that's 1 meter. From here to here, 1 meter as well. And then for that last height dimension, what I actually need to do is kind of rotate around to get a better view. This dot down here at the bottom is going to be my first point. This dot is my second point, and it is 1 meter also. I'm going to take my snipping tool, click new, draw a box around this, go back into SketchUp and paste. The last one's super easy as well. What we're going to do is color our pyramid. Back into SketchUp. Open up that materials pane on the right side, materials, and once we click materials, choose any of the colors available to make a colored pyramid. Put that in that document. The blue boxes are what you're getting done today. If you have any questions, tag the problem, try it yourself, acquire knowledge, and if all else fails, get up and go get help.